Your daily habits might be destroying your hearing. But don't worry, we've got a fix. From blasting music to noisy work environments, our ears take a beating every day. Are you paying the price? Introducing Quietum Plus. This powerful, all-natural formula is designed to support your hearing health naturally. Packed with essential nutrients, Quietum Plus helps reduce ear ringing and promotes overall ear wellness. Imagine saying goodbye to that annoying ringing in your ears and hello to clear, crisp sound. Picture yourself enjoying life again, listening to your favorite music, engaging in conversations, and soaking in the sounds of nature. Make a smart choice for your ears and your smile. Healthy hearing leads to a healthier life. Take action now and protect your hearing with Quietum Plus. Don't wait. Click the link below to get your bottle of Quietum Plus today and start hearing the world better tomorrow. Quietum Plus. Hear better, live better. Order now. Limited time offer.